Hello, Sigma servers. Check. Ito muna, tas mamayang gabi, magluluto na lang ako. Kasi bala kong tanggalin na tong Christmas tree. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Close.
She wants to hide.
You want to close? Okay.
Don't touch it. Oh, you're hungry. Ang dami mo naman sinasabi, Oli. Pakadaldal naman yung batang yan. Good morning. Sino daddy ang tulog? Si Oli. Hello, Sigma servers. Check. Ano to pa? Yung adobong puti din? Yung kay Ai? So, muna lulutuin ko ngayon yung Mongolian style beef with a sweet and savory sauce. Onions, string beans, and red bell pepper. Hindi ako sure kung meron ng kasama tong red bell pepper, string beans, pero dadagdagan ko pa rin ng totoo naman nandito, pero naka-frozen lang siya. Dadagdagan ko pa rin ng onions, string beans, and red pepper. Paano ba ito? Heat large non-stick skillet over medium-high. Heat until hot. About 2 minutes. Add milk to skillet. Cover and cook for 4 minutes. Uncover and continue. So, iinitin nga lang siya. Ay, yung wok ko. Bango! Ganyan yung laman niya, guys. Wow! Parang hindi ko na kailangan lagyan ng marami na pala. Red bell pepper. Dapat dadagdagan ko eh. Tsaka string beans. Kaso parang madami na siya. Okay na. Ito muna. Tapos mamayang gabi, magluluto na lang ako. Kasi bala kong tanggalin na tong Christmas tree. Yes! Pakunti-kunti namin natanggalin ni Daddy Al kasi wala kaming helper, guys. Ito muna yun sa loob muna. Tapos yung malaking Santa Claus dun sa labas. Sa susunod na yung Christmas light. Nandito sila rin pala kagabi. Dinala lang nila yung gift nila. Mga pang Christmas gift sa mga bata. Ang cute ng regalo. Tag dito, hindi ko kasi nakita yung phone ko. Binuksan na nila agad kagabi. Pero may konting clip ako sa phone ko. Tapos biglang napuno din naman yung phone ko. Kaya hindi natuloy-tuloy. Ang cute ng regalo ni Kring. Bagay dun sa playroom ni Oli. So, dadagdagan ko na lang siya ng bola. Pero ang cute. Tapos, binilan din nila si Louie ng, di ba may labubo si Louie? May mga damit-damit pa pala yun, mga accessories. Di ko alam. Kasi ni Louie. Wait lang. Parang usok na usok. Takto yung naman. Lagyan ko yung tubig. Parang may mali ako ginagawa. Tama naman. Medium heat naman. Sige, takpan ko muna. Bango. Napakabango. Soy sauce. Bon appetit. Ngayon ko na pala lulutuin yung nilagang pata. Para tuloy-tuloy na mamaya. Sa pagtanggal ng mga decorations. Online naman si Louie.
So it's okay to be late?
Huh? Hindi hindi rin. Kung it's okay to be late. Oh, ayos ka, madam. Nakataas pa yung isang paa mo, ah. Wala tayong patatas, ano? Okay na to. Pwede na to. Wala ring repolyo.
Ginawan ko lang alam dun sa toge, yung pechay.
Papahinga ako strainer. So, wala tayong mais talaga. Ito na lang ulit yung ilalagay ko. Last na to sa pantry namin. Tapos, French beans na lang. French beans. Diba? Luisita, ano ka na dyan, girl? Hindi mo makat yung beef?
Yeah.
May towel pa sa... Tanggalin mo na yung towel. Wala na yan. Tanggalin mo na yan. Help natin si ate. Lambot naman yung beef, ah. Sama mo yung vegetables. Wala yung lasa. Ow, ow. Help me. Bakit lang yung nalagyan?
Yo.
Talagyan? Help mommy. Remove flour, please. Okay. Thank you. Come on. Remove flour. Wow. Can you wear it? You want to wear the flower? Wow. Wow, guys. Look. I'm so pretty, guys. I'm so pretty. Come on.
Here.
Wow. May padala ang? Wow. Maglinis na daw tayo.
Oh.
May padala ang Cascade. Pero mamaya na natin yung buksan. Yan, oh. Ang laki, Oli. Dalawa yan. Ito, tsaka ito. Thank you so much, Cascade Philippines. Ito yung binibilan natin ng mga, sa mga SM, department store. Alam mo yan, yung sikat na, kunyari, mga tabo.
Okay.
Mga toiletries na mga organizers. Salamat po, Cascade. What's that, Oli? And later, open, okay?
Yeah, tayo.
What? so strong, Ollie.
Wow, I like it.
You like it?
Yes.
Wow.
Wow. Nice. Wow.
Color?
Color
Color what? What color is that?
red.
Red. Wow. Are you sure?
Yes, Papa.
Yes, Papa. Wow. What's that?
It's white.
White. It's a snow.
Blue.
Yes.
This is it. Cool. Guys.
Hi, guys.
Guys.
Hi, guys. Pa. Marunong na mo tayo, guys. Say, look, guys.
Guys.
Look at this, guys.
I saw many.
This one, Ollie, oh, here.
Yes.
Get all the color red
Okay.
and put here. Put all the color red balls.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Color red.
Yan o, red. Or more red ball.
It's okay. A begging day. Say away. Say away. See, but move. It, wait.
It's alright. Oh, who's that? Is that Ate Ayit? Let's see if that's... Who's that? Ano ba? It's Ate? Are you sure? Yes, Ollie. You, Ollie. No, Ollie. Ha? 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 Oh, sino yan? Who's that? Ate! You miss Ate?
No.
Sino yan? How's school? It's what?
It's like a free day,
Wala kayo masyado ginawa.
Opo.
Kaya maaga.
Bye-bye, Oli.
Close?
She wants to hide. She always wants to hide. Bakit ganyan?
I don't know. You want to close? Okay. Okay, Daddy. Daddy?
Ano yan?
Takot siya eh. Daddy!
What does she wants to say there but not at the same time? Daddy!
Daddy!
Oli!
Ang kulit ng... Ang kit-kit mo na.
It reminds me of that one Squid Game.
Yeah.
Scene.
May batang nagtatago.
Ang galing naman yan minsan.
Oli, Oli? Eating sugar? Telling lie? Open your mouth? Oh, you're eating donut eh. Eating donut? Telling lie? Open your mouth? Tatago ka pa dyan ah. Tignan nyo oh. Ang cute eh. Bulaga! You're eating donut eh. You're eating donut, Oli eh.
Ano lang
Come on, Oli.
Kasi I have a PT.
Magpi-play daw siya dito sa garden. Parang gusto ko bumili ng mini slide. Diyan, oh. Lagay para sa kanya. Go, Oli. No, here lang. Here. No, may pupo. Dito ka lang. Dito lang sa garden. I love you too. Bacon? Bacon. Hello, bacon. Yan ang kausap niya. Sila bacon. Di pa sila naligo, Oli. Hello, bacon. Say, I love you, bacon. And Graham. Graham and bacon. Ligo muna kayo. Ay, no, don't touch that. Ah, kunyari may binigay. Ay, you love bacon? Bacon. Sus, papogi naman to eh. Papogi. Oh, mag-aaway na naman yan, ha? Lagi na lang kayo nag-aaway, ha? KitKat? Yes, that's KitKat. Yes. Hello, KitKat.
Oh, no.
Bakit, ha? Anong problema? Anong problema mo? Parang masama loob mo, ha? Gusto mo lumabas? Ay, gusto mo lumabas. Gusto mo pumunta dito, ah?
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it. Oh, no.
Oh, you're hungry. You want to eat?
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Yes. Ang bait naman ni O.
Oh, no. No. Oh, no. You're hungry.
Are you hungry? Are they hungry?
Sorry. Shower, bacon. Shower, mommy. Wow, bacon. Huh? Wow. Oh,
Oh, what happened?
bacon.
Ayan, dyan naiinis si Bacon pag ang kulit-kulit ni Graham. Siyempre, matanda na si Bacon. Mainitin na ulo. Oh. Graham, huwag mo na pikonin si Bacon. Dami ka ng battle scar. Yan, oh.
Oh, no.
Kagat din yan ni Bacon, guys.
Look. Oops.
Silly Graham. Sit properly. Tayo, Oli. Huwag ganyan. Okay. Good job. Dirty na? Money? Money? Nangingi pa ng pera kay Graham. Money, where are you? Wala na. Nandun na. Naubos na kay Graham. Mahal yan eh. Ang dami mo naman sinasabi, Oli. Napakadaldal naman yung batang yan. That's Graham. Graham. Bakit ang papogi na naman yung bacon ko? Ito naman na isang pogi na makulit. Ha? Bakit naman yung papogi naman yan? Oh no!
Oh my God! Sorry. Wow. Let me see.
Let me see.
Huh? Bacon.
Let's go.
No.
Hala. Come on.
Oh, fish.
Fish. Fish naman. Oh, let's go sa fish.
Okay.
Oopsie. Akin na yung donut. No, dirty na. Oh, fish naman siya, fish. Eh, what happened to the fish? Ito, papaayos na rin namin to guys ulit kasi nasira na. Pati yung filter niya. Hello, fish. Say,
No, I need to go away.
say hi, fish.
Daddy, mommy.
What? Airplane yun. That's airplane. Airplane. Are you scared? Airplane.
Daddy.
Naayos namin yung mga pang Christmas. Ilalagay na dun sa likod ng TV. Storage. Sabi niya kanina. Sabi niya kay Graham, Money? Want money? Money? Here's money. Where are you, money? You can't? Why? Huh? You want slide doon? Buy tayo ng slide dyan. Para may slide ka na dyan. No. Hindi doon sa playground. Parang uulan, guys. Medyo makulimlim. You want to play?
Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow. Parang ano?
Mommy.
Nak, dumidilim anak.
Look.
Money. Ayun na naman, money. Siya yung nangingi ng money kay na bacon. Gagawin siya, money.
Oh no. Sweet. My dear house. Let me see. Oh. It's never see. Huh? Pecan? Pecan? Where are you? Pecan! Mommy.
Hindi ka na.
Mommy.
Are you done?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Let me help you. Wash hand again.
Okay, you wash it.
Okay, wash your hand. Dirty. Don't put in your face. It's dirty.
Let's go.
Come on. It's okay. Come on. Done. Ginagawa mo? Oh no. Go. Oh. Talk. Let's go. Naliliit na Santa. Diba? Parang kakalagay lang natin. At ang na ulit. Kasi late na kami naglagay. Parang may kulang. May kulang. May nalaglag. Ano ba? Bite.
No. Bite it.
Is it yummy?
Yes.
Say thank you, Tita Kring. Ay, Ninang Kring. Say thank you, Ninang Kring. Careful. Yummy?
Woo.
Oh. It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay.
No. Sorry. Sorry.
Oops. Let me help you. Bite mo. Alright. You should bite it too. Ganun na. Bite. Paano mag-bite? Okay, go. Bite the donut. Yay! Dinilaan mo lang, tas binalik mo dun. Bite.
Yeah. Bite.
Minsan nga gagawa natin ng ano to, patience test. Yung katulad nung ginawa natin kay Louie dati. Na, kaya mo na yun, patience test na.